Let's move on to the next one. Bond. Okay, Bond has actually made some green candles, and it has been a top gainer for a long time. I do have Bond already opened up previously, and I was actually doing some TA on it, just personal TA. And I do have this bottom here, and you have the top right over there. Okay, now number two, if you're not in our Discord, do join the Discord as well, because it's absolutely free of cost for you to join our Discord. Right, so the link is in the description of the video as well. And if you want to learn all of this trading, right, I do have my trading course that you can check it out, and you can actually learn 18 hours of content, not Pirate Bay, you little piece of shit. Okay, I actually opened up Pirate Bay. Sorry guys, I love torrents. I don't know if you love torrents. So if you're into torrent, you can actually check out Pirate Pay for good torrent downloading out there. So let's get back into Bond, right? The bond thing right now is that you did actually, if I do bring this Fibonacci retracement level, you have the 0.382 right now being held as a level of support right now. Okay, which actually makes it a little bit of a good buying opportunity, but be careful. The reason why I'm going to say be careful is because we might have a chance to come down to the golden ratio of 5.555 dollars, and that's a level you haven't back tested, and it does make sense for you to back test this level. And I'm going to tell you why the hell in the first place can we actually drop that much down below. So hear me out, okay? I think they already know. And who are they? The market maker, okay, the people who are controlling the markets. They already know that this one looks very, very it's what do you call this? There's a saying, it looks so good to be true. Okay, so that's the saying, it looks so good to be true. So you might think that's the discount that you want. They might actually continue to move it lower. The reason is we might end up on a 4 hour time frame making in a bear flag, and they actually have made the bear flag and you've broken out of it. As a matter of fact, you are supposed to move down at the moment. Why? Because the way you came down from this level in corrective move to the downside, you made this sideways movement and you made a bear flag and you've broken out of it already. You can see that, and you're now trying to actually come down here. The technical target out of that bear flag takes you from there to there, and you're looking for this thing to basically come down to this level, $5 actually, and that actually is the golden ratio as well. So be careful, and that's it for bond at the moment. Again, trading course is there for you. You can check it out. 42 different topic to talk about. It's crazy. TRB, okay, we're gonna actually bring in TRB as well, and you guys can comment whatever you want me to do. Right, so let's talk about TRB at the moment. We've seen TRB. There's a technical target for TRB that has to be met, and that's going to be $30.09. But at the moment, we're looking for maybe a retracement down here to $16, and then from there, actually make a move to the upside. So what you have for TRB right now is a potential bear flag. So you went down, you're making this false move a little bit to the upside, and there's a good chance that we're looking to actually drop from there to there, and that's going to take you to this price level, which is going to be $15.75. Now, when you come down to $15.75, I'm just going to bring in the daily time frame at the moment, and from this daily time frame, we can already see that you do have a W that has a technical target pending. So went to the downside, came up, went to the downside, came up. Nice, beautiful W, broke out, came for the retest, went up, maybe come again down here to this for liquidation, and then finally make the move up to $30 at the moment. So if you do come down to this level, maybe $14.39, I don't think you're going to continue higher, because number one, you're going to go below this level and you're going to be taking this bullish candlestick as well, and that's going to be the end of it maybe. And from here, you actually might start to reverse and you're never going to go back up. So that's it for this TRB. Let's see if we can hold this retest down here to $15. That would be amazing entry if it does make some reversal candlestick with a stop loss, of course.